The goal of this open source project is to turn your $60 router into a $600 router by converting it into a powerful, highly configurable router capable of sharing one internet link across multiple households. After a simple firmware upgrade, you can share your internet link, boost your wireless signal, prioritize who and for how long they can get your precious bandwidth.
Hi, I'm Peter Valanov, and I've been developing and integrating systems for more than 15 years now. Technology is something I'm really passionate about. I love innovation and I love the concept of sharing resources to better utilize what we already have.
We have access to internet with a connection speed of between 2 and 8 megabytes per second. But on average, we use only 1/5 of the available bandwidth. If you think of it from another perspective, we use 1/5 of what we pay for. Now, the real question is, can we improve utilization of unused internet bandwidth? And can we, as a society, benefit from improved utilization? Absolutely. We believe the best way to utilize unused internet capacity is by sharing the unused bandwidth.
Okay, so here's what the usual internet at home setup looks like. We have access to internet with a connection speed of between 2 megabytes and 8 megabytes per second, a wireless router, and few wireless capable devices such as laptop, desktop computer, iPad, and Wi-Fi capable smartphones. On average, we only use 600 to 700 kilobytes per second, which is less than 1/5 of the available internet bandwidth. Now the challenge is to develop a platform that can be used to share the unused internet bandwidth with neighbors, friends, or anyone else in an easy and secure way.
We know that existing internet networks are capable of delivering high-speed internet, but our wireless routers are incapable of utilizing it. So if sharing improves utilization and has the potential to reduce cost, then how can we share one internet line with neighbors or friends? And even if we could, would that be secure? What if we wanted to share the bill also? Would that be possible?
How can this be achieved? We are planning on extending the functionalities of a Linux-based open-source firmware DD-WRT. Today, it's a stable platform compatible with major vendors such as D-Link, Linksys, and Netgear. The first step of the project is to build a user management module responsible for managing who and for how long has access to internet. Then we need to integrate user management with payment gateways such as PayPal and Amazon, and provide the ability to accept online payments via credit card and e-check. The next step is to tie in bandwidth management with user accounts to ensure that available bandwidth is fairly distributed. And finally, establish secure environment for each user by implementing virtual LANs and isolating users' traffic. Around all of these components, we are going to build a web interface so that all aspects of users' administration and billing can easily be managed.
Reality is, we all have regular consumer-grade wireless routers at home, which aren't built to accommodate sharing of one internet link between multiple households. The problem with the existing high-end routers up to this point is that they're all really expensive, and they're hard to configure. Now, this project is about building an open-source firmware compatible with most existing wireless routers to allow any household or small business to get paid for sharing its internet line. By making high-end networking features available to the consumer routers, we can challenge today's status quo of underutilized internet bandwidth and inefficient and hard-to-configure firmware. We're looking at building a zero-maintenance, simple-to-set-up system that you can just load on your router, select the type of access, set the pricing, and forget about it. The technology has the potential to change the way we access internet while significantly reducing the cost. The reason we need your support is so that we can get the firmware developed as fast as possible. With your support, Wi-Fi clouds will forever change the way that we use internet. You can become a part of this movement. Join us in challenging today's status quo of underutilized internet and inefficient wireless routers. So join the revolution, make a pledge, and help us change internet forever.